Hello everyone, once again you all are welcome. I hope all of you are doing very good, very well at home, and I wish you keep rocking at your place, at your field. And today I am Nisha, your mentor, and I have brought some new pages of GK general knowledge. Beta, actually before starting any new page I would like to tell you that GK is one of the most interesting subject, and we all should go through it, and by going through GK general knowledge question we comes to know about different amazing facts and different things which we have never come to know. So today again I have brought some pages as I have said, so let's we start. So today I am going to continue with a comprehension, a story, a very small paragraph containing a very short passage of story, and that we will comprehend today. But before comprehension of the story, I would like to tell you that what is the meaning of the comprehension. The word comprehension means that to go through about any topic but in deep way, like to understand anything in deep way, to understand a topic, about that topic, each and everything. So that is called to make comprehension, means relatively to know about the topic, each and everything. So today I am going to start one short story, short passage about a kid. So what is happening there? You all open your book, page number 28. So I hope you all have understood that the story name is The Boat Parade. I will read out the story and I will tell you the meaning. And at the end of the story, at the end of this passage, I will write answers on the board, and you please all copy that answer. The boats are floating along this lake shore. It is the summer boat parade. See, this is the topic all about the boat parade. It is a parade related to floating a boat, and there are motor boats, means there are different kinds of boat participating in the boat parade. And what are the different types of boat? You will underline motor boats, raw boats, and sail boats. These are three different types of boats which are going to be participate in the boat parade. Fine. Ria is one of the character, and its favorite boat is pink motor boat. So Ria is the character in this passage. She likes pink motor boat with the flag, means a boat is there and there is a flag with the boat. So it is the favorite boat of Ria, which is of pink color and having a flag on the top. Fine. The raw boat decorated with flower is Shagun's favorite. Means one more character is there except Ria, and the character's name is Shagun. So her favorite boat is a boat which is decorated with flowers, means that is decorated with flower. Rahul likes the purple sailboat. So there are three different characters: Ria, Shagun, and Rahul. Ria likes pink colored boat, Shagun likes the boat which is decorated with flowers, and Rahul likes purple colored sailboat. Fine. The boat float by one at a time, and at the same time three boats will be floating. The people on the boats waves at the crowd, means the people who are at the on the boat, they will be waving the boat. The crowds cheers the boat like hip hip hooray, and this just for motivating the parade they will be cheering. The boat parade is so much fun to watch. It is very funny. It is very full of fun, excitement to watch boat parade, because children are participating in boat parade, so they all are wishing that to win. It is the best part of the summer. So it is one of the summer activity created or organized for small kids. So they are enthusiastically participating in such a parade, which is known as boat parade. So these three different characters having their own desire of being having the favorite boat. So I have discussed. So now let's see connect to the question answers part. See, the question number first is, where are the boats floating? So question number first answer is, where are the boats floating? So you write down the answer, because you see whatever questions are given in the book all the answers are hidden in this passage. So it is not so difficult. Just read out the passage once again and then you will find all the answers hidden here. So that is the technique. You have to deeply read the chapter and find out the answers. Let's see how. So first question is, where are the boats floating? So answer is, the boats are floating along the seashore. Okay beta, this is the answer of question number 1. Second number answer is, what kind of boats are there? Means what are the different types of boats are there which were participating in boat parade. So as we mentioned in the while reading the passage, there are 3 different types of boat. First was motor boat, second was rowboat, this is all together, and third was sailboat. Okay, these are 3 different types of boats participated in boat parade. Fine. Now next question is, what is Shagun's favorite boat? Means कि शगुन की favorite boat कौन सी थी? So Shagun's favorite boat was the rowboat decorated with flowers. Yes, the rowboat which was decorated with flowers. फूलों से सजी हुई rowboat. That was the favorite boat of Shagun. Fine. Now next, fourth answer is, what is the best part of summer? Watching boat parade is best part of summer. It means कि summers में बोट परेड को देखना ये क्या था, समर का बेस्ट पार्ट था, because it was full of fun. So beta, these are very easy questions which I have solved here. Once you go through it and you can solve in your book. Please do it first. Now next part or next page which we are going to solve is all about classification. Beta, classification means that division of different object or things in according to their category. So here we are going to place few objects according to their same category. So what are these categories? Actually these categories are, first is solid. Fine. Second is liquid. Fine. And the third is gas. So you can see that there are numbers of picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 pictures in this page. You can see, you can look over here, and according to the condition, according to the feature of these objects, we have to put these pictures name in according to their category, because out of these pictures, some pictures are in gaseous state like this and like this, so we have to put their name into the gaseous category. Some pictures are of solid object, so we have to put their name into the solid category, and some pictures are in liquid state, so we have to write their name or put their name into liquid category. Fine, I hope you all have understood. So that I am going to do here, and before filling these categories, please go through these pictures into your book, and I am helping you out here. So the first is solid category. First one will be is the first solid category. Second, in solid category, what picture will come? It is third is wood. Wood. Fine. Wood will be there. D is chocolate. So there are 4 blanks which we have filled over here. Next is liquid. In liquid state, what will be there? First will be the color paint bucket. Okay. And B. Next will be coconut water. Fine. Third will be water pool, or we can write here swimming pool. Okay, done. And D number will be rainfall, or we can say rain. So these are 4 solid state, these are 4 liquid state, and the third one is gaseous state is smoke. Second is cleaner, and third is star, and D is spray, or you can write perfume. The bottle, this small bottle is of spray, you can write, or you can write its name is perfume. So this is all about the 3 different categories I have divided, and all the pictures I have put according to these 3 categories, because any material which are found in 3 different categories, in 3 different state, and it is liquid. It can be in liquid state, it can be in gaseous state, or it can be in the solid state. So you please fill all the blanks according to this given solution. Now this is one more new topic. Here we are going to learn how to find out the odd one. Beta, odd one. Yes, this odd one. So the word odd means which is different, which is unique, which is not matching with the category. Suppose I have 5 different kinds of eatable items. Like one I have apple, one I have orange, second is orange, third is potato, fourth is grapes, and fifth is guava. So what is the odd one over here? Odd one means not matching with the particular category. So see, first was apple, orange, potato. So what is the odd one? Potato is the odd one. Why? Because the remaining out of except potato, all first, second, third, fourth, these all 4 are the names of fruit. So this is the name of the vegetable. So this category, this object is not matching with these remaining 4, because it is the name of the vegetable and these 4 are the names of fruit. So the name of the any vegetable cannot be putting matching with the remaining fruit. So this one is the odd one, means not matching with the category. So something like that we have to find over here, from here, that what is the odd one, what is the word, which is the word which we have to find the word which is not matching with the remaining one. So what can be that? First is lion, second is fox, third is panther, and third is crocodile, and fourth is panther. So what can be the odd one? So if we guess correctly, so not lion, not fox, not panther, it is crocodile. Yes, crocodile is the odd one over here. Why? Because lion has legs, fox has legs, this has legs, and this one also, but it is a kind of reptile. Fine. So this is the odd one over here. So crocodile is the odd one. You please tick mark in your book. Next is chips, pizza, burger, and teapot. So chips is an eatable item, pizza is also an eatable item, burger, and don't think that you will be getting pizza, burger or chips. सुन के तो लग रहा है कि अभी खाना है, but not like that. We have about eating anymore because we are studying over here. Chips, pizza, burger and teapot. So which is the odd one over here? These three are eatable items. These three, like we can eat, chew. But teapot is not the eatable item. Teapot is a storage where we are storing tea. So it is again a liquid state, but teapot is not the eatable item. So it is kind of utensil which we are using to serve tea. So teapot is the odd one over here. Fine. Next is April, August, Monday and May. So once again put your concentration over here. April is the name of the month. August is again a name of the month. May is the name of the month again. But what about Monday? Monday is not the name of any month, as these three are belonging to name of the month. So this is a name of weekdays. So Monday is a part of weekdays name. So Monday is the odd one over here. Fine, beta. Next is dolphin, camel, horse and donkey. Yes, camel is the name of animal, horse is the name of an animal, and donkey is again name of an animal. But dolphin is a kind of sea animal. Fine, this is a kind of huge fish. So dolphin is not matching with these three categories. Fine. So this one, dolphin, will be the odd one because this animal is not matching with these three remaining ones. So you have understood that how to find out the odd one. Odd one means to how to pick the unique one which is not matching with the remaining one. So the few portion I have done over here, but the remaining one I have left for you so that you will feel interest while solving these things. So please these four questions you please solve in your book, and remaining one you please try yourself. Now let's proceed further. Now I have brought one more new interesting page, and this page is all about decoding. Fine. Like there are some numbers given, like along alphabetically we have to find its position. That numerically where they are sitting, and these are the numbers where we, by relating these numbers and position of the alphabet, we have to find the correct word, what is hidden behind these numbers, and by arranging these numbers according to their rank or the position, we will get a particular word that will be the answer. So how to solve? Suppose moon is there, yes, moon is there. So alphabetically where are they placed? Moon. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So what is the position of A? It is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and O, T, 14, 15, 16. Fine. So on we will be proceeding. So let's say solve about moon. So moon is the first alphabet is M. So what is the position of M in the alphabet? It is the 13th position. M is the word which is placed at 13th position. So what we will write here? We will write the 13. Fine. What is the position of O in alphabetical order? It is in 15th position. Fine. So what we will write? 15. And same it will be here because there are no two different O. There is only one single O. So again its position will be 15. And what is the position of the alphabet N in alphabetical term? It is 14 again. So suppose it is the so this is the decoded 13, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4. So if you are given such a term to solve this term, so what will we do? We will be having the name or the word. It is moon. Yes. So we will be having the word moon. Okay, beta. So this is the style, this is the system, like by helping these things, by knowing these things we can help to find the correct name. Fine. So let's we have one more example. Now see, I have written some random alphabets over here. First of all, we have to find that which word is hidden in this alphabet. So I found that S, U, N. Sun is the word hidden in this. But how to decode? So what is the place of S in alphabetical term? So how to find A, B, C, wait. 1, 9, 2, 1, 1, 4. Fine. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Fine. These alphabets will be enough to solve. So what is the position of these alphabet? Let's we solve like earlier one. A is in the first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Fine. This much will be enough to find. So now you see that sun. What is the position of S in alphabetical term? It is in 19th position. So you see 19 we will write here. Fine. What is the position of U in alphabetical term? It is in 21 position. So we will write it 21. What is the position of N in alphabetical term? It is at 14th position. Like we are scoring rank in exam time, first rank, second rank, third rank. The same ranking we are finding. So what is the rank of N in alphabetical term? It is 14. So this answer I have already written over here just to make your understanding clear that it is the position of sun. And each alphabet's position is in so and so. So the decoded answer is 19, 21 and 14. So this will be your answer. So two questions I have solved over here, but remaining one you will be solving, and I hope that you all can solve very very excellently, because this is all like tricky games and small children have very nice and very excellent brain to solve all tricks. I hope you can do all each and every questions over here remaining one. And once again, if you have any problem, you can drop your question in the comment box. You can ask me, but keep trying, don't fail. If you fail, don't worry, I am there to help you. We will be meeting in next video, in next meeting, but till then, goodbye.